Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018 and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the active grille shutter. So let me guys introduce you to the channel. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. We have very helpful information that will save you so much money in the long run. So hit that subscribe button. If you need help with anything, drop a comment below the video and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So now, active grille shutters, okay, not all of the Focuses will be equipped with that, but if it is and you get a engine light or a code for it, always check the fuse and we'll show you where it's located now. So we need to open the hood, locate the fuse box under the hood now, right here in the engine compartment. There is a clip that you push in and you pull up. Okay, remove that cover. It has two clips on the front that kind of like need to push out a little bit. Okay, you can see where they go in the holes. Now on the back side you can see the different fuse numbers and you can also see the little fuse numbers next to the fuses, but they're hard to read. So we need to locate fuse number 35, F35, which is this fuse here on the very bottom row, the second one from right to left. This is a relay, fuse 36, 35, we need to check 35. In our case it should be a 5M fuse. We're going to use the fuse puller here to remove the fuse. Okay, just spread it like that, grab it and then push on the front and pull the fuse out like that. And you can usually check by looking at them if they're burnt or not. You can also check them with a voltmeter if you need to. We have the video how to check fuses guys on the channel, because sometimes you think that it's actually a bad fuse, but it's a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, and that could cause you so much trouble. So I'll get a replacement one now. Okay, and when you install it, you need to make sure that the fuse goes in the right holes. Okay, and it doesn't go in too hard. Okay, it needs to be like with a little bit of a push, otherwise you're going to bend something and you could damage something really bad. Okay, just like that. And next, don't forget to install your fuse puller, because if you do guys, next time you need it, okay, it's not going to be there and you won't be able to pull a fuse. So just like that. After that, all you have to do, snap the box guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on that Ford Focus and other cars as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.